Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Hajira's Cooking Corner. Today on our channel we are going to prepare spinach veggie or palak ki sabzi. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin C and folate. The reason why spinach is considered as a superfood is because of loads of nutrients and low calorie that it possesses. This leafy veggie also benefits your skin, hair and bones. So without any further ado, let's start making the spinach veggie. Let's look at the ingredients first. Here I have thoroughly washed 5 to 6 bunches of spinach and I have finely chopped it. I have taken 5 to 6 medium onions and roughly chopped. We also need 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, crushed and chopped garlic 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 5 teaspoon basil powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 6 to 7 red dry chili and 5 big tablespoon of oil. So let's get started by preparing our spinach veggie or palak ki sabzi. Take a kadhai on a medium low heat and add 5 to 6 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is heated up nicely, add 5 to 6 roughly chopped onion and saute them well. Before you could add onions, you can add cumin seeds also. It gives a good aroma and taste. So keep on sauteing continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you could see that our onions have turned very soft, and at this point I am going to add crushed and chopped 2 teaspoon of garlic. Then I am going to add 6 to 7 red dry chilies and give them a good mix and saute them in the oil. Saute them really well so that the garlic and the red dry chilies releases its flavors into the onions. It smells so good. Saute them for almost 1 to 2 minutes. Now at this point I am going to add 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is really optional. If you want to skip this step, you can skip it because we have already added garlic into it. Now give it a good mix and make sure you don't burn the mixture. After sauteing them for almost 1 minute, now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can increase or decrease the amount of spiciness and the salt as per your taste. Give them a good mix and saute it well and make sure you don't burn the mixture. So after 1 minute, I am going to add finely chopped spinach and give them a good mix. Mix all the ingredients really well. Initially it looks very difficult while mixing, but later on because of the heat the spinach moistens up and it becomes in less quantity and it will be very easy to sort everything well. So now I am going to cover the lid and cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our spinach have softened up and it has cooked well, and as you can see the bubbles are coming up. Now at this point I am going to add 5 to 7 tablespoons of basil powder into a bowl and I am going to add 5 to 6 teaspoons of water into it and give it a good mix. Mix well, make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Make a good fine paste out of it, and once you see the paste is ready like this, add it to your spinach veggie. Mix everything really well. The reason for adding basil here is it gives a good texture, aroma and good flavor to your spinach veggie, and also it absorbs the excess water from the spinach which is left out. Cook for another good 2 minutes. Give it a good mix. So cook this on a medium-low heat for 2 minutes without covering the lid, so that the extra water is evaporated and it becomes very soft. So once the excess water is evaporated, close the lid. So after 2 minutes, you can see our spinach veggie or palak ki sabzi is ready to serve hot. The aroma is so superb. So dish out into a bowl. You can enjoy this sabzi with roti or a veg thali, that is dal, rice, and also you can make a good roll out of it. So if you have liked the recipe, do try the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your good comments and suggestions in the comment section. And don't forget to share amongst your family. Thank you for watching.